Mu nnaku nga zino Uganda eri mu kugezaako okulaba muno yebbulula mu ngeri y'ekirwadde kino ekya coronavirus oba ekya COVID-19 era nga wenyimiridde wano ndi mu saidi z'e Bwaise mu Kawempe division ng'era byolaba emabega eri bye bimotoka bye bagezaako okuba nga bapangululako ebyokulya okuli akawunga, amata, amakalu okuli n'ebijjanjabi bagenda nga bagabira abantu ab'enjawulo omuli bakateeyamba abalema ba single mothers n'abo ba expectant mothers era nga bwolaba omulimu gugenda mu maaso era nga gukwajja nga gukulembeddwamu ab'amagye that is UPDF, aba poliisi that is Uganda Police Force ate nga kwatadde ne bakiyamaani b'oku byalo oba abo be twandiyise ba LC1 chairman abatukoleranga amabaluwa agatukirizanga n'otuwa ID z'oku byalo so ngezezzaako okujja saidize ne Bwaise ndaba omulimu guno ogenda okuba nga gukwajja kubanga ye omukulembeze gwanga yavuddeyo n'alagira ekiragiro ky'okuba nga okutandika okuba nga bagaba emmere okuyita mu Prime Minister's Office so omulimu gugenda mu maaso nga omulidde omukulu ow'amagye Afandoobo bw'atunnyonnyodde obuzibu bwe basanze n'obwe batasanze ate saazi ngenda kwanjogerako n'abantu ab'enjawulo ne Bwaise abamu ku abo bafunye ku bintu bino batubuulire bo badde bakisuubira ate tebakisuubira kigenda bayamba batya mu nnaku 14 zino gavumenti ze yavaayo n'egamba abantu babeere ewaka omukulembeze w'eggwanga bwe yagambye muno okubeera ewaka tekitegeeza nti obeera mu nnyumba mukka olusomi bwe kabalaza ko so okubeera mu compound yo naye kasooba ng'osigadde waka so bagaba dotto tebiroko muno byagenda wa chairman bakusanga mu makaago ne bakwata tutamanyi oba munda eyo bayingiddeyo naye nga tusaawa zino tuli ku luguudo emabega ali waliwo essomero baliyita Global Nursery and Primary School we basimbye amakande Bwaise wano okulaba nti nno bagezaako ogaba ebintu bino eri abantu ab'enjawulo ebika by'abantu bisatu era ng'ekitongole kimu ku ekyo ekyegasseeko kye kiyitibwa ekya Red Cross okulaba muno bakola ki bagabira abantu ebintu bino wammanga ebigenda mu maaso so munneeyungeko ate mu lugendo luno tugezeeko okulaba nga tulaba abantu bo bayogerera ki ku bintu bino bafunye okuli ebijanjaalo okuli akawunga ate nga kwotadde n'amata g'obuwunga nja kuba nnyongero balaga ebintu bino ennaku zino nga bwe zigenda okgenda mu maaso naye nga olunaku olusookayo gye bayise day one of the activity eno munneeyungeko mu kaseera kano tulabe byo bigenda kukomawa oba bituusewa amanya n'eddoboozi bampita Shadik Smith katugende mu maaso.
Balimba wandiseeko mpandiseewo ku luggi kwennyini
oli musanyufu?
Ndi musanyufu olwa pulezidenti Yoweri Kaguta Museveni kyatukoledde olunaku olwaleero tufunye ebintu bitusanze mu maka gaffe nga yatugambye era tubifunye ebibino waneeno twebaza nga tutuusa yonna yonna nsigadde nze na Mirembe Trace sangibwa wano tula
I'm Lieutenant Colonel Henry Obo, the spokesperson for Land Forces of the UPDF. We are here today in Bwaise 1 and we've started the food distribution. This is a food that was purchased by the Office of the Prime Minister following a directive from the President and Commander-in-Chief. I would like to say that day one has been a success. So far we've just started. We started a little late because of the launching processes and so on. We could have started early and covered many, but nevertheless, it's good that we've already started. But what I would like to say that in the first day, it has been so successful. Why would I say successful? I must say that the identification process by the LOC1 chairperson here in Bwaise was wonderful, it was excellent, and of the people who are supposed to benefit. And I urge other LOCs in other places to be as useful as this LOC1 of this place has been. We've been down there and you discover that the people that are receiving this food have really got it at the right time, to extent that someone gets the food and immediately puts it in the saucepan and puts it to cook. That means that he really needed this food, and we are so much grateful to the government for this support that is given to the people. No, I wouldn't say really there's favorites because we are moving door to door. We're moving door to door, and for sure, even if you go and see the people who are receiving the food yourself, you say, yes, they really needed this food. They needed this food. Most of the people that we have met, like say when we just at the beginning, most of them, the counselors are telling us they're mainly single mothers. And when you go and interview them, you'll find that they're really single mothers. We've gotten 6 kilograms of portion. That's grain meal for each head per person. 3 kilograms of beans. Then there's also salt to accompany for every family. The expectant mothers are getting powdered milk. And the sick also, they are getting powdered milk. So this is something that an expectant mother, you don't need to know whether she's expectant or not. So far, I wouldn't say there's been any issue of favoritism in this thing, because we are moving door to door as identified by the local leaders. And indeed, you cannot jump anybody who say, hey, why are you leaving me? Everybody, I've seen most of the people here really needed the food. We looked at the single mothers. We went to those people who used to do like border. They all had a whole section where they were staying. And even the kind of accommodation where they sleep in and where they stay in, you really know that this has been a person of a hand to mouth, because someone living like in a house for 10,000, 20,000 and so on, because they could not afford those other expensive housing and so on. So they needed this help, and we are glad that we have been, the government has given us this opportunity. I must say we thank the government for giving us this opportunity, as the UPDF, as the police, as the security forces, because we are here with the police. You see the UPDF, you see the police. We are so much proud to have been given, so grateful to have been given this opportunity to be part of this exercise to reach our people and get them the food that they needed most.
Any hindrances so far on day one?
Day one, I've not gotten any hindrances. We haven't observed any hindrances, because identification has been good. We have not experienced any kind of chaos or some kind of trying to grab food and so on.
Fights?
No, there has not been any fights, because we are telling everybody, be in your home. Because today we are supplying door to door. We count you, and then if you're there busy looking for some other thing, then you may miss out. So, but we came here yesterday in the evening. KCC has been so supportive. They gave us the tracks for announce this public address system, and they help us in doing the announcements. Today morning they've been moving, passing on the information, being near houses. We're so glad that we've been able to find people are there at home. People are within their homes, except for a few who say, no, this person, no, the burden is like, for us, we say we are distributing to exactly the people, because that is the directive we got.
There's no giving someone to keep for
We can't give areas. We are giving to the person who is there. And they sign. There is a registration, and then they sign on the receipt of the food, house by house. The Uganda Red Cross is here assisting us. Also part of the local leader is the main man in the identification, the main woman in the identification, the councillors and so. But then the Red Cross are also assisting in transparency. They are seeing to make sure this thing has really reached to the right people.
qualifications for these people to get this food. It's supposed to be the national ID.
Yeah, we are giving the people food because we need some national identification. But then, not everybody would be having an identity card, because even a child of 4 years needs this food. So you not expect a child of 4 years to produce the identity card. So, but if you find the head of the family has the identity card, yes. But then the child of 4, 10, that one also has his own food, his or her own food on her head. So it's not that you must have a national identity card in order to get, because not everybody has the identity card.
And
Yeah.
this exercise is going to go for how long for you to finish up?
I wouldn't really say like for how long, but the thing is, today this is like a pilot. It's not like we are going to do it today here, we're going to do it here today and then go to another place. This is a pilot thing, doing it from here. Then when we finish from here, we get some maybe lessons learned, challenges and so on. Then after that, we move to the next. Yeah, we'll move to the next. Tomorrow is going to be now concurrent. Today is a pilot. Get lesson learned, and then from there, this is a first time thing. You need to do it, see how it is, feel it, get the feel, and then from there, move the next data. So it's going to be now concurrent in all other places. Let the people let the people say in Makerere, people like say in in the other side, in Munakere Chivulo, don't, in Kiswahili we say, Oskufe moyo, don't die in the heart. Don't die in the heart. This is just today was a sampling to see. And that's why even we started late. Tomorrow we're going to start early. We shall start very early in the morning. So that, because like now we are going to close shortly, because the people who are participating in this must get back home before the time of the curfew. But what we are insisting in, first of all, is protection, protective gears, and also we are insisting on social distance. You see, social distance. Maybe the first challenge that we could have got when we started, the media were all awash and they were not observing. Actually, the media were the big problem that we had initially. They were all clogged in, and it's like we were like chasing them. Please, 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 you are going to get trouble for this. Either you get trouble for yourself or you put trouble in this. And they are interested in the little children. They want to take the pictures, and they are like all 10. And I told them, no, you don't need to rush. This process is on. Why would anyway 3, like say, television stations all run one child? There are so many children around here. So we've got here child-headed household. There are child-headed households here. We've got here single mothers. Very many of them they are mainly single mothers. And of course, if they were not single mothers, they would say, yeah, there's another third person and so, but they're really single mothers. Many of them are single mothers, 1 child, 2, some are 3. Some are widowed. They are all in this place. Even the child-headed families, we will definitely give them their. But then this is also another opportunity for us to get back, since we have the office of the Prime Minister here, and also we have like the Red Cross who are participating with us in this. It's an opportunity for us also to examine the kind of population that we have, so that in case otherwise, like say, there could be some interventions in the future, they would be able to understand the picture of how many child-headed families, because we're making a record. We're making a record of whoever is receiving, we make a record, child-headed, single mother, that kind of thing, single lady, single man, that kind of stuff. So we are recording them all now. You're welcome.
Kwa baje kusaba obuto katubireke. Osaka kulaga buto akukuwa maji. Balance. What minute? No buyonjo. Yeah, man. No buyonjo. Manda, kadi masimizi ndio baba.
Okola mulemu ki? Muli bameka? Wano mubazeewo bameka kye?
Sebe ogenda bakusanga wali ewo.
Ate oli ku musigo gwa muntu mulala kumbuzabuliza. Wano ani amanyi
nabo yogera.
Zadde otunudde. Meka. Yogere namba.
Leta wala Akawunga kamwe Binjanjalo. Chaka we namba yobo obo wandike.
Zero meka? Aha.
Finish. Yango wandikono.
Aha. Dedi kani. Okola mulimu. Muri bameka? Cheya. Wano wada bameka? Wano wanise. Ate bawoza mukaka nono mulalaze.
Wewe tuwade twabuza bo bali mukulia. Gwe baleke.
Kati mmanju gye twagala okuntu waliwo abali mmanju w'ensi.
Aya nanga abavubuka nammwe.